Okay, so we got another box from Amazon here. Let's see what's inside of it.
Bless all you folks out there.
Like it's almost unwrapping like Christmas. Looks like it's been through some tough travels. So, got some cards here. Let's see here. Enjoy your gift. Sorry I looked everywhere, no short and seemed to be sold in waiters. Hope they fit everywhere else. Enjoy, girlfriend. Pink for you. From Robin Fiddler. Robin! Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. I am so excited right now. I've never had a pair of these in my life. Oh my goodness. Alright, now I gotta figure out how to get in there.
Nice.
Yeah. I'm so excited.
Remember, if you cut a hole in those, they will not work.
Cutting a hole in them. I'm trying to figure out the best way to get into them here.
Oh, there's something else in the box, dude.
Let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness.
What?
Really? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited right now. Cancel everything. We have to go fishing. Look at these. These are the best ever. Come on. These are absolutely incredible, Robin. I'm going to have to put these bad boys on.
Yeah, you got to try them on.
Oh my gosh. Let's get in here.
There's something pink in the box still.
Well, hold on. I'm so excited. I cannot believe you sent these. Oh, they
got boots with them too?
They fit perfect. They're waders. They're the real deal here. They're the real deal.
No more getting wet for Mama?
No more. No more dumping out the boots. Oh, thank you so much. This made my whole day. First of all, I've been crying for days straight. I have just been not in the best headspace. So, thank you. Thank you so much. I mean, this is absolutely, totally brightened my day. So, thank you. Let's see how they fit.
They're fitted. They're on. And they look pretty good.
Oh my gosh. They're perfect.
Oh, we're covering up the gutties.
They're perfect. Oh my God. Help me.
Hold on.
These ones go up like this? How's this go?
This one comes across.
Feeling sleek.
So I think that one there goes around your waist.
Does this one go?
I think it's... Yeah, I think it goes that way.
Oh my gosh. Come see me.
Just making a run for it out of my messy office. The dog don't know what to do with you.
We're going fishing, baby girl.
All right, strut.
Yes.
Let's see your fish strut.
They're great. Thank you so much, Robin. Cancel everything. We have to go fishing right now.
I love the pink accents on them.
They're incredible. Oh my gosh. It made my whole day.
Wait, I think there's a shirt that matches.
Oh, so excited.
I think it's in this box.
Okay, let's see.
I
I did not expect this.
Ignore my messiness.
Oh my gosh. Whew. Why in the world? I am just blown away right now.
Well,
you.
You got a good friend out there that wanted you to wear
Oh
something
my
nice.
goodness. Oh yeah! Oh,
Oh, look, it says fishing It's his bass stash.
Oh my gosh, Robin, thank you so much.
All right.
I absolutely love him.
I'm going to snap my fingers and then you're going to be changed into that.
Yes. I'm ready for fishing. Thanks to you, Robin. Oh my goodness. Thank you again so much. I did not expect these, so thank you.
Somebody's at the door.
What's up, Dad?
It's Dan.
We're gonna do fishing waders.
Oh, that's badass.
Oh my
Hell
God.
yeah.
Robin, our friend on YouTube, watched me dump buckets of water out of my boots
Oh,
the other day. She said you bring me waders.
that's awesome.
I know. I was having such a bad day too.
Who cares?
It's
It's made for
perfect.
adults
I'm
anyways.
super happy. I love them.
Gotta love the Publix.
Like tears to my eyes. Like I'm having such a crappy day, and I opened this
There
package,
you go.
made my whole day. Told him we gotta
Those are-
cancel everything. It's
those are-
time to go fishing.
All right, say bye to Robin.
Thank you, Robin.
Okay, we got one more to open in the messy office here. One of these days I'll clean up after myself, I swear. So Danielle really enjoyed those waders. I think y'all made her day. So this one says, to Charles McNeil, 39 Crest Drive. Oh, I'm doxing myself. Feels like Christmas. I'm hoping this is something from Matt's Memorial because I'd been meaning to go down and check on that. But I've been thinking it'd be nice to just take something down there and give it to Matt. Nah, come on, guys. Guys are being too sweet out there. I'm not used to people being nice. Used to people being pretty mean. Looking for the name. Did you see what they brought me? I haven't even showed them yet. Look at this.
Oh,
What? That is an original. Look at that. You can tell she's had a lot of love. I'm gonna put this hat to use. I will wear this with the sweater, and I will enjoy every minute of having this hat as we drive the Duke through town. I will tell you that. This got a little goosebumps. Y'all gonna make me try and cry, huh?
come on, I did it.
General Lee 01, good old boy.
I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you for everything that you sent for the memorial, and a few of these gifts really mean a lot. So thank you guys.
Oh, I gotta open that up a little bit. I got the big noodle.
It's a lot of hair.
I do need to cut my hair. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Get a little glare in my reflection over there. So, I don't want to dox anybody, but I do not see where it came from. So somebody bought this on Amazon Marketplace. And there is return information, but that is not necessary and never will be. God bless you guys. This is a cool gift. I have to say, I'm gonna do my best to just rock this sucker. Oh, one forever. Love you guys and all the great stuff you've done. I really thought that this was gonna be something for Matt and for Matt's memorial, which is, you know, kind of been the standard. And I have to say, you guys have shocked me completely to the core. Thank you. I love you all for being here, and every one of you that's been supporting us through this and through this troubling time. It's been more difficult than a lot of people do know. We try not to show a lot of the stuff that happens, to be honest. it's kind of, you know, personal on a lot of bases, and the loss of having a good friend gone has been, you know, hard to deal with. And I know you guys have had the same emotions and the same feelings out there, and I've tried my best to console and, you know, do my best to answer a lot of you guys' questions, but I can't answer them all, and I have done my best. So God bless you guys for being here with us. I'm going to continue to take you along the ride. And even though we don't have anything to take down there today, why don't we jump in the car and take a rip over and look at the memorial and see what you folks locally have done with Matt's memorial. Let's go.
Hey guys, so just quick update. A lot of you have already I've sent your memorial t-shirts out, but there is some that have still been waiting for a week or so. I think we got a little bit delayed with the holiday, but I just got everybody else's shirts in the rest of the way today. This machine right here is broken. The new one comes in this evening, and hopefully by tomorrow or the next day I can get it all set up and printing again. So I just want to maybe shoot for next week to get your shirts out. So if you have not gotten a shirt yet, this is what's going on, and I want to let you know that they're still on their way, I promise.